This is a pretty funny story. It's called Do Not Eat That. And it's about two friends, and one of them is from outer space. And so the other one has to teach this friend what they can eat. So this is Abby, and this is Zatz, and they're best friends, and Zatz is from outer space. And Zatz is hungry. Look at his belly growling. And so Zatz goes and sees puppies, and Abby says, "You cannot eat that." And then Zatz finds the trash, and obviously Abby tells him that's not food. And then Zatz tries to eat books, and then Zatz tries to eat a tree, and then Zatz tries to eat hats and bikes. And then Zatz is so hungry, he tries to eat Abby, and she says, "Do not eat me." But then they find pizza, which is something you can't eat. And that is the story of Do Not Eat That.